Walking around a random old village in China and I came across this thinking it's stocks and shares, but it's not. It's loads and loads of random beers. I just got this grapefruit one and it is by far one of the best beers I've ever had in my life. China just gets weirder and weirder. Look at this. Oh, that's incredible. Have a look at this. It's absolutely incredible. It's like grapefruit and orange, but it doesn't taste like a beer. Oh, that is fucking awesome. It's unbelievable. I'm going to have to get seconds. That place is unreal.